Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about TimeTree calendar. TimeTree is a collaborative calendar app designed for seamless scheduling and organization. It allows users to create shared calendars, manage events, and communicate effectively within groups, making it perfect for families, friends, or teams. With cross-platform accessibility and customizable views, TimeTree enhances productivity by keeping everyone informed and coordinated, simplifying the process of planning together. Now, let's talk about some of its top features. Stay informed easily. TimeTree ensures that everyone involved is kept up to date with event details and changes. By sharing calendars, users can receive notification about upcoming appointments or modifications, reducing the likelihood of missed events. This feature promotes transparency and accountability, making it easier for groups to coordinate their schedules without constant reminders or follow-ups. All-in-one planning. Whether planning weekend outings or dinner arrangements, TimeTree serves as a comprehensive solution for all scheduling needs. Users can create events quickly and invite others to participate, streamlining the decision-making process. This feature simplifies planning by consolidating discussion and decisions into one platform, minimizing the hassle of juggling multiple communication channels. Organized group calendars. TimeTree allows users to maintain separate calendars for family, friends, and colleagues. This organization helps individuals manage different aspects of their lives without confusion. By categorizing events according to relationships, users can prioritize commitment effectively and ensure that personal and professional schedules do not overlap, enhancing overall time management. Mobile-friendly creation. With TimeTree, users can easily set up an official calendar format using just their smartphones. This feature empowers individuals to create and share calendars on the go, ensuring that they can manage their schedules anytime and anywhere. The mobile-friendly interface simplifies the process of organizing events, making it accessible for everyone. Enhanced premium features. TimeTree offers premium calendar options that provide advanced functionalities for users seeking more powerful tools. These premium features include enhanced customization options, additional storage for event details, and priority customer support. By upgrading, users can maximize their scheduling efficiency and enjoy a more tailored experience that meets their specific needs. Now, let's discuss some drawbacks. Limited offline access. TimeTree primarily relies on an internet connection for functionality. Users may face challenges accessing their calendars or making updates while offline, which can be inconvenient during travel or in areas with poor connectivity. This limitation can hinder effective planning when immediate access to the app is needed. User interface complexity. Some users may find TimeTree's interface overwhelming due to its numerous features and options. Navigating through various functionalities can be challenging for those unfamiliar with digital calendars. This complexity may lead to a steeper learning curve, particularly for less tech-savvy individuals who prefer simpler solutions. Subscription costs. While TimeTree offers a free version, its premium features comes at a cost. Users seeking advanced functionalities must subscribe to a paid plan, which may not be justifiable for everyone. This financial consideration could deter potential users who are looking for completely free calendar solutions. TimeTree is a powerful collaborative calendar tool that enhances scheduling and organization for groups. While it offers numerous advantages such as shared calendars and mobile accessibility, potential drawbacks like limited offline access and subscription cost should be considered. Overall, it remains a valuable option for effective time management. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.